Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 5 of cost bookkeeping of CMA Inter first group. Please read the questions here. Illustration number 5. PR Limited manufacture and sells typical brand of the tiffin boxes under the its own brand name. The installed capacity of the plant is 1,20,000 units per year, distribu- distributable evenly over each month of the calendar years. Capacity is 1,20,000. The cost accountant of the company has informed the following cost structure of these: raw material rupees 20, direct labor 12, direct expenses this, variable overhead 16, and fixed overhead rupees 3 lakhs. Semi variable expenses, that is 7,500 per month up to 50% capacity, additional 2,500 per month for every additional 25% capacity utilization. The plant was operating 50% capacity of the first 7 months. First 7 months means 1st January to 31st July. This is the 7 month. And now 1st August to 31st December. This is remaining 5 months for 12 months. Okay. Now that is 31st July to the fixed was selling price is 69 per unit. The firm has been monitoring the profitability and revising the selling price to meet its annual profit targets rupees 800. Annual profit target 800. You are required to suggest the selling price per unit for the period of 1st August 2016 to 31st December 2016. Prepare the cost sheet clearly shown in the total cost per unit cost and also profit for the period 1st January 31st days from the 1st August to 31st December. Okay, we have to make the cost sheets. Now look at here. In this case, we have to find the working note first. Calculation of sales unit. Sales unit. There are two time periods. In these time periods, total annual sales is 1,20,000. In this time period, 50% capacity is applied per month. That is the 12 sales of 1 month. 50% capacity is utilized. 50% capacity utilized. That is the for the 7 months. This is 30. This is for 12 month. That is the 10,000. That is 5 month. This is 35,000 units. And remaining 5 months from 1st August to 31st December, sale is for 5 months. Sale is for 5 months. Okay. And my 5 month is 100% capacity utilized. So this 1,20,000 divided by 12, 1 month sale will come. That is 100% capacity for 5 months. This is your sales. Now sales unit for 7 month from 1st January to 31st July. 1,20,000. This is 12 for 100%. 50% capacity. This is a for 50% capacity. 7. This is 35,000 units. 1st August to 31st December. 1,20,000. 12. 100% capacity. That is for 5 months. This is a 50,000. 50,000 units. Now, working note second. Working note second. Calculation of semi-variable cost. Calculation of semi-variable cost for first three first 7 months. And look at semi-variable cost per month up to 50% capacity. 50% capacity rupees 7,500 for 12 months. For sorry 7 months. For 7 months, 7,500 into 7, that equal to rupees 52,500. 52,500. So what will be the semi-variable cost for remaining 5 months? Semi-variable cost for remaining 5 months. 5 months. In this question, rupees 7,500 per month is semi-variable cost is up to 50% capacity. If we increase up to 25% capacity or part, then our semi-variable cost will increase by 2,500. But in the remaining 5 months, 100% capacity utilized, then this is a for 75%, this is rupees 2,500 again for the remaining 25%. This is for 50%. This is for remaining 25%. This is for remaining 25%. This is for 100%. That is rupees 10,000 per month. Per month. Total semi-variable cost for 5 months. Total semi-variable cost for 5 months. Rupees 10,000 into 5, rupees 50,000. Okay. Now, fixed cost for whole year, that is 3 lakhs. Then we have to calculate working note. Calculation of fixed cost for 2 period. Calculation of fixed cost for 2 periods. First 7 month, rupees 3 lakh for whole year divided by 12, 1 month, this is 7. 1,75,000. Remaining 5 month, rupees 3 lakh for whole year, 12 into 5, that is rupees 1,25,000. 1,25,000. 1,25,000. Now we have to working note variable cost. Working note. Calculation of variable cost per unit. Raw material rupees 20. Direct labor rupees 12. direct expenses rupees 2, variable overheads rupees 16, variable cost per unit rupees 50, variable cost per unit rupees 50. This information is given here. Already variable cost per unit is given here. Calculation of profit for first 7 months. Profit. Sales minus variable cost minus semi-variable minus fixed cost. This is 35,000 unit. Selling price per unit is given here for first 7 months, that is rupees 69 per unit. Rupees 69 minus 35,000 unit, rupees 50 minus semi-variable cost. We have already calculated semi-variable cost 52,500, fixed cost 1,75,000. 1,75,000. This is total rupees 6,65,000 minus 1,75,000, 62,500. This is rupees 2,27,500. 4,37,500. This is the profit for first 7 months. Now, in the question it is asking total annual profit should be rupees 8 lakh. Total annual profit should be rupees 8 lakh. In this case, what should be the price per unit for remaining 5 months so that organization can achieve this profit target? This profit target. Calculation of selling price per unit for next 5 months. Remaining profit required. Remaining profit required. Look at it. Total target profit is rupees 8 lakh. In first 7 months, we have profit to 4,37,500. 4,37,500. This profit is remaining profit 3,62,500. In this case, sales minus variable cost minus semi-variable minus fixed cost. The sales unit you have 50,000. Selling price per unit, variable cost per unit is 50. Semi-variable cost is already calculated here. Semi-variable cost. What is the semi-variable cost here calculated? Semi-variable cost remaining 5 months is 50,000. Semi variable cost for remaining 5 months is 50,000 and fixed cost 62,500. This is not 10,000. This is 500 and this will be 62,500. 62,500. Now 1 lakh, similar 62,500 plus 1,25,000, 3,62,500. Or selling price per unit rupees 3,62,500 plus 1,87,500 whole divided by 50,000 plus rupees 50. 5,50,000 rupees 11 plus rupees 50 rupees 61. This will be the selling price per unit for the remaining 5 months so that we can achieve the target annual profit rupees 8 lakh. This was the question. This is a good question. This is a question based on the marginal costing and you can make the cost sheet as per given questions. Okay. Thank you class.